Hi guys, so we'll do this second problem for Leetcode 177. What is the question? Look at this question is a medium complexity, and this question 872 people like, but a lot of dislike to this. So maybe it's a little bit of complex, no doubt about that. What's the question actually? Question is, so there is a structure with table ID is there, salary is there, and that will write an SQL query. Actually, it's a function to report the nth hash salary for the employee. If there is no nth hash salary, the query should report as null. Okay, so that means if there is no nth hash salary, the query must report as null. Okay, and this is the given. If first hash salary is there 100, second hash salary 200, third hash salary 300, like that is there. And if you are asking second as salary when the table is having only first as salary, then it is written as now. Okay, so so what we have to do basically, so we have to do you know you know you know so there is a salary variable should be there, and there is some other variable should be there called row id to check whether the rank variable kind of stuff, rank variable to check whether the max rank is above the nth or below that. So if it is the rank is below that, the max rank, then obviously we have to return. If it is the n is, if the rank is above the nth hash salary, definitely greater than equal, definitely we can access the nth hash salary. That means if we have a rank of max rank of 5, max rank of 5, and nth hash salary is asking nth salary n, n is equal to 6, let's say n equal to 6, then it should return null. Okay, and if n is 4, then it should return some value. It should return fourth highest salary. Remember, if one rank can contain multiple records, so we need to make sure that we can we need to return one salary only, as we have a single variable. So the focus is that we need a variable called salary int, so that we can return that variable. Okay, so what's that? We require a kind of rank variable, you can say rnk variable, so that to understand what is the kind of max rank is there. So we can say max rank, possible max rank. Okay, so let's try to get your salary, then try to create a rank. So over order by salary descending, we should give a rank function from employee. Okay, so let's put it inside a common type expression, because we need to access again that table. So so let's try to understand whether this max rank is, what is that max rank, whether it's greater than n or less than n, then we can return that value. If this n is greater than this max rank, we have to return null, right? So let's first measure what is the, how to get that max rank. Max rank equal to max of rnk from ct. So here we can get the max rank. Okay, so once you get the max rank, if max rank is less than @n, then select or set at the salary equal to null. Okay, else if it is not there. Okay guys, so basically now we got it. If the max rank, right now we are able to get the max rank from here. If the max rank is there, this max rank we got it. If it is less than n, that means if we filter n, will not get any record. Then we have to set the salary null and we have to return that. If it is greater than, if, okay, let me see if the calls, then we have to again measure that. So basically it's a double computation is happening. However, if you have it's a function, you have to do it, and in the real life you can create temporary table and etc., so that you know to compute multiple times, you know. So here you have to give select at the rate salary equal to max of salary. Why max of salary I'm taking? Because dense rank can generate duplicate, same can be of two ranks. So let's say so uh, we have 100 is the first rank, 50 second rank, can have another 50 which can be second rank also. So this two record will be generated. So we cannot have manage two record because salary is a single variable from city. Okay, so if we get that, where it's very important, rank equal to at the rate. So for this rank, okay, let's say this rank is 2. If rank 2, we'll take max of 50 and 50, we'll get one record 50 and we'll give it to the salary and then salary card. Okay, thank you guys. And if you have any questions, let me know. So but let me, before that, let me run that code. Of course, I have done this. It is working, but still, oh, there is some problem. What is that problem? Which, oh, we have to give which city ads. So sorry, I'm sorry guys. So I believe it should work. Yeah, I already tested it. So see, let's see how fast it will run. Yeah, it's running very fast. It is 80% faster. You can say it's 17 million second. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, please let me know, and please like and subscribe and share this, and thank you very much.